Hello and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about Tezos until you BEZOS, one of my favorite projects, one of my biggest holdings, and one that I personally see a lot of opportunity in. Before I get into the analysis and why I think it's going to explode so hard, make sure that you guys are a subscriber to my channel. Once I reach 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my VIP, as well as some free Bitcoin on my Twitter. So make sure that you guys are subscribing, and as well as sharing this video with your friends so they can go ahead and get the value from it. Go ahead and hit that like button for me before we get started, and we'll get straight into the Tezos analysis. So you guys already know that I've been talking about Tezos for a minute now on my channel, and I'm really excited about what I'm seeing in this chart. And so I wanted to go over some of the technicals, but before I get into the technicals on why I think Tezos is going to go up so hard, let me just shout out everybody that's holding Tezos right now. Anybody that has been watching this project, you know, whether you bought in 2018, whether you bought in 2019, whether you bought in 2020, it really doesn't matter, you guys, or even 2017, because it was in the market for a little bit in 2017. You know, if you're part of the Tezos community and you are invested in this project, huge shout out to you guys, because you guys are going to have life-changing wealth pretty much no matter where you bought. And the opportunity to buy more if you're in is big right now. So that's why I felt that it would be important for me to make today's video, to go over Tezos and really talk about why I expect prices to go up so high from current points, and why this could be a life-changing amount of money with even a small amount of initial investment. Are you guys looking to maybe put $500 or $1,000 into something and then be able to buy whatever car that you want and move into the house of your dreams later in your life? And, you know, when I'm speaking later, I'm speaking like literally a few years down the road later. And the opportunity to do that is what I'm seeing here in Tezos. So are you guys ready? Are you ready to change your life? Are you ready to generate wealth inside of your life like you've never seen? Are you ready to generate enough wealth that you have to learn what to do with money? Because that's something that happened to me. I made so much so fast, I was like, holy cow. It just was like the most euphoric and crazy experience of my entire life. And then I had to learn, okay, what do I do with money now that I have it? How do I reinvest it into myself? How do I invest it into my family, my friends, my community? How do I invest it into the people, other business people that I see in this world, other business partners that I see doing beautiful things? How do I invest into YouTube channels and all of that? And once you actually start making that money, then you know, you'll start to realize how important that is. But before you even make all that money right now, you guys, go ahead and tell yourself what you're going to do with it, because otherwise, once you have it, you're going to be so overwhelmed you won't know exactly what to do with it. So are you guys ready to make that kind of wealth in your life? If so, comment down below, say yes, and just let me know in all caps, and then tell me your story about maybe what you want, maybe what your dream is as a person, so that I can understand what you guys are looking for and better help you guys reach those goals as well. Now, with that being said, you guys, Tezos is one of the coins in the market. There's a lot of different coins that I'm seeing that are providing this type of opportunity, but Tezos is one of the ones that have really caught my attention, and for me is one of the biggest opportunities inside of the entire market right now. So let's get into the technical analysis here for a second and talk about prices. You guys, current price of Tezos is $2.67. The bottom of Tezos was about 31 cents, and its peak high was about $12. So, you know, that's a lot of volatility when you're talking about movement in the market. That's a 97% retrace. And then when it found its lows, that was another 1,000% on the upside gain, which is why you guys got to really get in on this whole buying panic thing, because it's life-changing when you start buying these dips. And that's kind of the opportunity that I see here in Tezos is really just started. I fully expect us to start a massive uptrend here that will take us above the B wave, since this was an ABC corrective pattern. and really take us up above $12.11. And that will fuel a massive explosion inside of the market, because once you're in price discovery, once you're above the previous all-time high and prices have never been that high in the past, that's when the real magic begins. And so this is where I always like to say, when in doubt, zoom out. I always get questions. People are commenting down below. Oh, well, you posted a bullish video about this coin, and then 5 minutes after you posted it, dropped 3%. You guys, when in doubt, zoom out. And you already know that the entire purpose of this channel, I'll just say this right now, because I get fired up about it, you guys. The entire purpose of this channel is the big picture. That's what I teach. My VIP, I do swing trades, daily trades, weekly trades, monthly trades, yearly trades. I do all of that inside the VIP group. But the purpose of this channel is big picture investing, high altitude investing. So if I make a video about a coin and then a few minutes later it drops 3%, oh, whoop-de-doo, then buy. This is not financial advice, but buy that panic, you guys. That's literally what all of this is about. And so when in doubt, zoom out, pull out, look at the monthly timeframes, look at the weekly timeframes, look really big picture, and remember what's happening, you guys. This is where you get to see the fundamentals paint themselves through technical analysis. I don't trade fundamentals, but fundamentals are important, you guys, in the sense that if crypto wasn't such a revolutionary technology, the technical patterns that we trade wouldn't exist. And so this is where you get to see that craziness occur. And when it comes down to Tezos, when it comes down to what can happen with Tezos, there's a reason that we call it Tezos Tell You BEZOS. Go ahead and check out the most recent video that I made about Tezos. I can't believe what I'm seeing in this coin. This is my most recent video that I've posted about Tezos. This video here, I actually go over how Tezos looks exactly like Amazon. Exactly, we have the same fractal of human emotions. So if you can sit and imagine being one of the first people that invested in Amazon back in the day, that is literally what it's like to buy Tezos. And people are always like, oh, in the comments, they're like, hey, Dallin. Hey, Dallin, don't you realize that Tezos isn't a big powerhouse like Amazon? Don't you realize that Amazon sells thousands of products and millions of products daily to millions of people? Pause, you guys. Stop with the skepticism. Have a little freaking faith in the markets. Because if you think about it, think about where Amazon was at in 2003. Tezos is basically like 2003 Amazon. Think about what Amazon looked like in 2003, you guys. Do you really think that they were selling to millions and millions and millions of people? Or do you think that was a gradual growth curve that started out as a market cycle? It started out as a market cycle with ABC correction. Look at this, market cycle, ABC correction. And then we start to get the trend development. I'll drop time frames here a little bit so you guys can see even better what we're seeing. I'm fired up today, you guys. This right here is the same trend development in Amazon that we see in Tezos today. The same exact trend development is happening. And so, yeah, Tezos until you BEZOS is a real thing. I'm buying it up, you guys. I literally, every chance that I get, I'm putting money into Tezos. I'm putting money into altcoins. I'm putting money into Bitcoin. I'm putting money into XMR. I'm putting money into Chainlink. I'm putting money into Digibyte. I'm putting money into, you name it. I'm throwing money into these markets. And you guys, I don't share anything on this channel that I am not personally buying. Okay, pause. Unless I'm doing a live stream and somebody requests a coin for me to do analysis on, then I will do technical analysis on a coin that I'm not personally invested in for you guys. But this is all about you guys making money. I already make money in these markets. I could literally stop uploading on this channel today. If I wanted to, I could stop uploading and continue to produce wealth in my life for the rest of my entire life. But I love doing this, you guys. You can feel my energy right now. I am fired up. This literally brings me so much joy to make these videos for you guys, to provide my analysis to you guys, to watch other people profit in these markets, to watch you guys Tezos tell you BEZOS, to see you guys buying the house of your dreams, to see you guys investing in the different things that you want to invest in, people, communities, friends, to be able to spend time with your family, go on a cruise, take your family on a cruise, take your friends on a cruise, visit another country, go meditate in another country if you guys want to, which I highly recommend. I haven't tried it yet, but I highly recommend meditation, so I can only imagine what it's like to meditate in another country. So yeah, you guys, this is a V-bottom continuation pattern inside of Tezos. I fully expect us to trend up. Yes, in the short time frames, if I make this video and we drop 3% tomorrow, like, that does not matter to me. I literally only care about the big picture. When you're all zoomed in, look how choppy this action is. This is why day traders get screwed. Day traders, if you want to turn $1 million into $1,000, day trade. If you want to turn $1,000 into $1 million, become an investor. That's literally the defining change in somebody that is going to produce lifelong wealth and have hundreds and hundreds of opportunities to grow in a steady, consistent way over their life, and that's through investing. You know, I've got all sorts of technologies I want to invest in. I mean, whether it's artificial intelligence, I want to start investing in sensory deprivation tanks. So if you guys know any publicly traded companies that have to do with sensory deprivation tanks or float tanks, which I've been doing lately, I did one today and I feel incredible, then let me know in the comments below. I haven't really had time to look into stocks yet. Well, I've had time. That's just a stupid little excuse. It's just that I haven't actually done it yet. So, you know, you guys, sensory deprivation, it doesn't really matter what it is. There's so many opportunities, 3D printing, so many opportunities to make money in this world, because I'm going to share with you guys a little secret. And this might be a little bit, like, I'll be honest with you guys, most people are not going to be able to understand this. This is a little insight that I had during a meditation, and most people, because of the fact that to be a visionary, you have to see what others can't see. Lots of people that watch this channel are visionaries, so huge shout out to you guys. So I know a lot of people that are watching this video will understand, but the majority of the population won't understand. You guys, we are literally, the world economy is literally like, okay, I'm just going to go over to the BLX right now, and we're going to look at Bitcoin in the big picture here for you guys. The world economy, you guys, everybody thinks, oh, the Industrial Revolution, all this stuff, we must be at the top of the biggest thing ever and the world's going to end soon. You guys, to be honest with you, the world economy, where we're at in the world, as far as what's coming, is like right here. Like, the world economy right now is basically 6-cent Bitcoin. Like, we are headed to 20,000 per coin and then 100,000 per coin. So the amount of flowering in different industries and artificial intelligence in the Internet of Things, inside of cryptocurrency, blockchain, inside of, you know, float tanks, whatever it is, literally whatever it is. Like, we are at the very beginning, the very forefront of the biggest thing ever inside of the world. The biggest move ever. The Industrial Revolution was literally a speck, like a speck in the sand of the ocean compared to how many particles of sand at sea there are. Like, we are just at the very beginning. Just wait until we're going to other planets and we're colonizing other planets, you guys. The world economy then becomes an interplanetary economy. And so, yeah, you know, who knows? Maybe I don't get to see all of this in my lifetime, but we're literally at the very beginning of the massive flowering of the human species that will take us into generations and generations and generations of prosperity for not only Earth, but for the galaxies. And so, yes, this is something that I've realized. And yes, A lot of people watching this channel are visionaries, so I know you guys can resonate with it. I know you guys are that smart. But, you go tell that to somebody on the streets and they're going to look at you and be like, well, don't you guys know the world is ending soon? So that's my encouragement for you guys today is to have faith, invest in technology, be an investor, trade the big picture. Tezos until you BEZOS, you guys. Buy it. This is not financial advice, but I encourage you guys to check out getting into Tezos and start diversifying yourself into new technologies as you make all this money, as you get the house of your dreams, as you get the bank account of your dreams, as you get the girl of your dreams, whatever you're looking for, man of your dreams. You guys, when you get the thing that you're looking for, be grateful. Generate gratitude for that thing within yourself. And that's how you'll continue to have more, and the planet will have more, and we'll continue to create abundance, and we will become a multiplanetary economy and a multiplanetary species. We are at the very beginning of the most beautiful flowering of the human race, and I'm excited for what's coming, you guys. So that's my thoughts. Tezos is going to be well above its all-time high. So, that's $12, you guys. So if we talk about percentage gain from current price, that's 337% on the upside from current price. You guys, I have a VIP course that goes into investing, that goes into daily trades, that goes into swing trades, and goes all about the different coins. You guys can message me. You guys can ask me what you're looking at, what coins you want me to do analysis on. I have a list of the top altcoins as requested by the VIP members for investing in. I have all sorts of awesome things in there, but the main thing is the community and the amount that your life will change from becoming a VIP today. So make sure that you guys join the VIP. If it's something that you guys are looking for in your life, go ahead and check it out. I'll give a 20% discount for everybody that stayed till the end of this video. Shoot me an email, shoot me a Discord message, and we'll get you set up in the VIP today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I hope that you learned something. I hope you enjoyed my rant about what's coming in the world. I hope you enjoyed my energy today. And, when I say my energy, you guys, really, I feel like this because of you guys. Like, the only reason that I wake up in the morning and I feel abundant and I feel so loving and so much gratitude and so much appreciation for my life is because of you guys. For every single one of my subscribers, for every single one of my viewers, for every single one of my likers, for every single one of my dislikers, who cares? For anybody that comments, for literally anybody that supports my channel and supports what I'm doing, what I'm about. That's why I have so much energy. That's why I love you guys so much, because you are the reason that I can live with so much happiness. And that is another reason why I do all of this. Like I said, I could do all this on my own. I could just be a silent investor that's anonymous and invisible to the world. But at the end of the day, like, the amount of purpose and passion and joy that I get from this far outweighs the money that I make anyways. And so thank you guys for that. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Hit that like button for me. Hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends. Get ready to Tezos till you BEZOS. Your life will completely change by putting some money into this market. Your life will completely change by joining the VIP. And I look forward to seeing you guys in tomorrow's update. As always, stay profitable out there.